Hi, I'm John Persinos, Editor-in-Chief of Aircraft Value News. I'm also a contributing editor at Avionics International Report. Welcome to my video presentation posted June 8, 2025. The U.S. Air Traffic Control ATC system, once a symbol of aviation excellence, is now facing a crisis marked by staffing shortages, outdated technology, and operational chaos. Recent disruptions at Newark Liberty International Airport have spotlighted these systemic issues, raising concerns about the FAA's ability to ensure safe and efficient air travel. Brace yourself. The delays, cancellations, and safety issues recently plaguing Newark Airport are already hitting airports across the U.S. The ATC crisis weighs on passenger confidence, which in turn dampens air traffic and generates headwinds for aircraft base values and leasing rates. It's been a dangerous year so far for air travelers. Take a look at the following chart. This map highlights aviation accidents across the U.S. that have been recorded so far this year using FAA data. As of early June 2025, there have been 9 significant fatal accidents involving civilian and military aircraft. The 5-year average, 2020 to 2024, for fatal commercial accidents is 5 per year. In recent months, a series of aviation mishaps in the U.S. have deepened public unease and reignited concerns about flight safety. The most recent scare occurred at Toronto Pearson Airport, where a Delta Airlines jet flipped over during a landing attempt in severe winds. Miraculously, everyone on board survived. Tragically, that close call followed a more catastrophic event just days earlier. A mid-air collision over the Potomac River in Washington, D.C., where a Black Hawk helicopter slammed into an American Airlines passenger jet. The crash claimed the lives of 64 passengers and 3 crew members. U.S. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy recently warned that, quote, antiquated systems at many major airports nationwide are overdue for a multi-billion-dollar upgrade. Duffy told NBC's Meet the Press recently that he intends to reduce the number of flights at Newark Airport over the next several weeks. As Duffy put it, what you see in Newark is going to happen in other places across the country. It has to be fixed. The stakes are huge. Take a look at the following chart. According to the latest data from the business research company, the global ATC market is projected to grow from $9.55 billion in 2025 to $12.37 billion in 2029. Growth during this time frame will be driven by modernization initiatives, air traffic growth, safety enhancements, cost optimization, and avionics retrofits. These emerging technologies will be what it takes to help fix the ATC morass. Is there a shortage of air traffic controllers? Absolutely. Don't take my word for it. The empirical data tells the story. Take a look at this chart. The FAA controls 290 air traffic control facilities, and currently almost half were understaffed. In fact, 128 of them didn't meet the FAA's own 85% staffing goal for terminal facilities set that year. This chart should make any air passenger nervous. In early May, Newark Liberty International Airport experienced a significant operational disruption. On one occasion, only 3 air traffic controllers were on duty instead of the required 14, leading to flight delays of up to 7 hours. This staffing shortfall was compounded by 3 communication blackouts that temporarily prevented the control tower from monitoring aircraft. The FAA's decision to shift Newark's airspace oversight to Philadelphia also has led to system connectivity problems and reduced staffing due to trauma-related leave. To maintain safety, the FAA has required airlines to scale back flights, and United Airlines has cut nearly 35 daily round trips at the airport. Transportation Secretary Duffy pledged initiatives including raises, bonuses, faster hiring, and infrastructure upgrades, but warned the issue was long-term due to the 1 to 3 years required to train new hires. The FAA's reliance on aging technology has been a long-standing issue. The Next Generation Air Transport System, NextGen, initiated in 2007, aims to modernize the national airspace system by 2030. However, progress has been slow, and many legacy systems remain in operation. A 2024 Government Accountability GAO report found that 51 of the FAA's 138 air traffic control systems are unsustainable and an urgent need of modernization. Some systems are over 30 years old and lack modernization plans, posing significant risks to air travel safety and efficiency. The FAA's modernization efforts have also faced challenges. The agency has been slow to modernize the most critical and at-risk systems. Specifically, when considering age, sustainability ratings, operational impact level, and expected date of modernization for each system, as of June 2025, the FAA had 17 systems that were especially concerning. The investments intended to modernize these systems were not planned to be completed for at least 6 years. In some cases, they were not to be completed for at least 10 years. While the FAA has initiated several modernization efforts, progress has been slow, and significant risks remain. Well, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. And if you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to send an email to me at jpersinos@accessintel.com.